dozens of massive runaway stars found fleeing the Milky Way. What is happening in our galaxy? The Milky Way can't hold on to all of its stars. Some of them get ejected into intergalactic space and spend their lives on an uncertain journey. A team of astronomers took a closer look at the most massive of these runaway stars to see if they could find out how they got ejected. Welcome to the Space Diary channel. Before watching, I want to ask you to help our channel by liking and subscribing. Scientists analyzed 2-star catalogs, Galactic O-Star Catalog, and the Be Star Spectra, and data from the Gaia space telescope, and found more than 100 stars that move differently from their surroundings. The scientists concluded that these massive stars are leaving our galaxy. In particular, the scientists found that the fleeing stars belong to the spectral classes O and B and their subtypes. These stars have a huge mass. They are very hot and very young. However, such stars do not live very long and often explode in supernovae. At the same time, O and B stars are the brightest in the Milky Way. According to the scientists, up to 10 million stars may be flying away from our galaxy, but so far, no one knows the exact number of such fugitives, and the exact reasons for their escape remain uncertain. The new analysis allowed scientists to discover that 106 O-class stars and 69 B-class stars are flying away from the Milky Way. An estimate of their velocity showed that the first ones are leaving much faster. There are two main theories that explain why massive stars leave our galaxy. They are called the double supernova scenario and the dynamic ejection scenario. According to the first theory, given that the stars of the above classes often form in binary systems, when one star explodes in a supernova, the shockwave distances the second star. If this star manages to break away from the object that appeared as a result of the explosion, it can be a neutron star or a black hole. It can also escape the gravitational influence of the Milky Way and begins its long journey into intergalactic space. According to the second theory, the supernova explosion does not occur, but instead, the double star system is hit by a lone star. Such a collision causes the pair to break apart, and one of the stars goes on a long flight outside the galaxy. For decades, scientists have been trying to understand which of these scenarios is more likely. The analysis of the new data showed that most likely, the escape of massive stars occurs as a result of a dynamic ejection. At the same time, the percentage of O-class stars that run away is much higher than that of B-class stars. According to the scientists, the results of the new study are consistent with recent scientific papers that also argue that stars do not run away as a result of a supernova explosion. But such studies should be continued in the future, because the results cannot definitively put an end to the disputes between supporters of different theories. In your opinion, which theory is more likely? Please share your opinion in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow for more interesting videos.